Hi and welcome to First Plat Maths Department. My name is Mrs Bull and I'm co-head of Maths. You're watching this video most likely because you're wondering whether Maths A-Level is the course for you. And one thing I would say to students that ask me that is, first of all, do you enjoy it at GCSE? Do you really love your maths lessons? Because when you come to do A-Level maths, you will be doing 9 lessons a fortnight. And sometimes that could be a day where you've got a double or a triple maths lesson. So you need to know, is that going to be something you're looking forward to, or is it going to fill you with dread? Also, I say to students, look at the actual content of the GCSE course and find out where your strengths are. So if your strength is algebra, then you're going to be very suitable for A-Level maths. And again, other topics that lend themselves to A-Level are coordinate geometry, so that's your topics such as graph sketching, finding the equations of straight line graphs, quadratics, cubics, finding tangents, the circle. All of that would be covered under coordinate geometry and goes into the A-Level course and extended. Again, trigonometry is another one with the right angle triangles, the sine rule, the cosine rule. And some of you will have come across vectors, but not all, because it's at the end of the unit of the 2-year course. But vectors is another topic that will go through to A-Level. In terms of the structure of the course, I've talked about the pure maths so far. 2/3 of the course is pure maths. There's also 1/6 of statistics and 1/6 of mechanics. So you've already done a little bit of statistics at GCSE, so that's your comparing data and your probability. And then mechanics, you would have come across the Suvat equations, and most likely in your physics lessons you will have also done a little bit of mechanics. So physics and maths A-Level do really lend themselves well together. But why maths at First Plat? Well, maths at First Plat, we're a very large maths department, and we actually within our department have 9 specialist maths teachers who have a wealth of experience and knowledge between them and are absolutely passionate about their subject. You'll often see, if I wander around the maths block, I'll often find students out of lessons with a teacher, one-to-one, just getting a little bit of extra support with their independent study. We're also really proud of our students and the achievements they make. So many of our students will achieve the top grades, A's and A stars at A-Level, and many go on to study maths or maths related courses at university. But the purpose of this video really is to get their viewpoints. So I'm going to pass you over now to some of our students so they can tell you a little bit more.
Hi, I'm Ellen, I'm in Year 12, and I would say that if you're willing to put in the work for A-Level maths and you enjoy the subject, then it's definitely a good course to take.
Hi, I'm Harry, I'm in Year 13 and I've been at First Plat since Year 7. Typical maths lesson at First Plat 6th form would usually start with the teacher showing us an exam question based on prior knowledge, which we could then go through and lead into the lesson, where they then introduce new concepts and go through a PowerPoint on the lesson. We then do our own work with mini whiteboards or questions in the book, and the teacher would circulate to make sure that we know everything, understanding everything properly. And at the end of the lesson we'd usually have a chance to do a bit of independent study and to make sure that we know everything, and if we're not sure on anything in the lesson we can ask the teacher and to make sure that we get it all sorted out at the end of the lesson really.
Hi, I'm Molly and I'm in Year 12 at First Plat 6th form, and for me I transitioned into 6th form as a new student, so I was a bit unsure of whether I would like Maths A-Level or not. So with the support of all the teachers and the jump was a lot easier for me, and I also made the decision to join the support clinics to strengthen my skills in maths, and that really made a difference.
So you've now heard from our students, and hopefully this video has given you a little insight into what to expect. You also have our overview statement and presentation, which will give you even more detail. It's a very difficult time, all this decision making, but I wish you all the best, and I do hope you make the right decisions. And if you do decide to come to First Plat to study maths, we look forward to welcoming you in September. Thank you. Goodbye.